Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Rita from Toca Boca. So let's get started. To draw cute Rita, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. Then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now with my circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now with my eyes in, I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw this little triangle for a nose. Right in between. And then for her mouth, we're going to come underneath this triangle about right here. I'm just going to draw a slanted line going this way. And then for her brow, we're going to slant them down. So about right here over her eye. I'm going to come down with an angle, round it off, and connect. So same thing here. Just draw this line up, round it off, and connect. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to work on her hair first. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, about right here, close to her close to her eye, and then same thing here, about right here. Using those 2 points, I'm going to come down right here and draw. Go below her eye a little bit and then curve it up. So this is just a strand of hair. And then on this side, we're going to do the same thing, but this strand of hair kind of curves over a little bit more. And then we're going to round it off and bring it up. So just creating these 2 strands of hair. From there, we're going to come back and come right here and here. We're going to connect it with a curve for her face. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. Big wide curve, my center, and then go right back up. There, to create the bottom of her face. From there, I'm going to come back in this area and just draw a curve for part of her ear. And same thing here. Bring this up a little bit more. Draw her ear. Then from there, I'm going to come back to this space, come out about right here, close to her ear. And from there, I'm going to draw her hair. So I'm going to come out and we're going to start to draw some strands. And then we're just going to draw a bunch of strands and bring it back. So 1, and then we're going to come out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And just bring it in. There. Okay, then from there, let's see here. We'll work on the other one a little bit later because I don't want it to be get in the way of her outfit. Let's go back up. So let's finish off her face. So we're going to bring this up. And let's see here. It's going to go up above her brow. Draw a curve, and then we're going to aim to split her hair a little bit past the center. So let's go up. About right here is the center, so let's past it a little bit. And then we're just going to go up with a straight line. Then from there, let's split it on the other side, and we're going to connect it to here. So then from there, let's just go up. So just kind of imagine how high you want her hair to be. So say about right there. I'm going to use this as my guide, come up, and about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve. And then the other side would be this up right here. So we're going to bring this curve up. So we're going to bring it all the way to here. So it goes up. And before I finish that, let's bring this down. So it's all coming back. I'm going to come out right here and draw her hair that kind of sticks up, kind of like ears. So round this off, bring it down and back. And then whatever space you have left, just continue this to finish it off. There. So actually this should be going past, right? So let me come in here real quick before, you know what, I can't even find my whiteout pen, so 1 second. Let me use this one here. Okay, sorry about that. I thought I had it with me. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down. So same thing, we'll bring it back to about right here. So bring this down, and about right there, once again, we're going to draw this curve, round it off, and bring it in. And then once again, continue this curve down to here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her outfit first. So I'm going to come back to the center, give her a little neck, right about there, and connect it. Then we're going to come right here and draw some shoulders. There, and then we're going to angle this down. So she's wearing kind of this sweater, so we're going to bring this down. And about right there, I'll just go ahead and wobble it in. Curve it in, and then about right here, just give it a little bit of a wobble to connect it. And then come back out right here with another wobble. And then her skirt. So one more level and connect. There. And then this part right here, her sweater, just going to give it some detail. And same thing here, a curve. There. And then her legs. So let's come about right here and here. So come down, straight down, and about right there, and then curve out. And we're just going to go ahead and connect at the bottom. And some details right here, and then cut it off for her socks. So same thing here. There. Okay, so now we have her feet, and let's draw her arms. So we're going to taper this down, and about right here, we're going to draw a curve. Draw a curve, and then connect it for the poofy sweater. And a little cuff, and then we're going to draw a curve and a big curve for her hands. And right here, just add some detail. So same thing here. Bring it in, add a little cuff, and then once again curve, and a bigger curve. There. Okay, and then before I forget, we need to draw another strand of hair right here. So let's come about here, and we're just going to fit it into the space that we have. So we're going to draw 3 curves. There. And then from there, let's draw the details on her sweater. So there are a bunch of crosses. So I'll work on the first one right in the center. Just draw this big cross. And you know what? I'm going to put a heart right in the center to make her my Draw So Cute Rita. And then there's another one here. And maybe the tops of one here. Without going into too many details, and then same thing here. Just indication of more of them. There. And last but not least, I almost forgot a very important band-aid right here. So just gonna come about right here. Draw a rectangle and then another rectangle, cutting it off right here. There, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Rita from Toca Boca. I really hope you love how she turned out, and if you love this game, please let me know in the comments below what other characters you want me to draw from it, and I really appreciate that. Thanks so much for watching. If I helped you today and made this fun and easy, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.